Sandy here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm here with my hashtag number 4 of my 31 days craft challenge. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing lots of different ones with you. At the moment I'm on a bit of a Stampin' Up kick, and in my last video I shared how I made these lovely embellishments. So the next this video and maybe the next one is going to be about ways of using these once we've made them. Okay, so I've used the Heartfelt bundle, which consists of the Heartfelt stamp set and the 2 punches. So I'm going to show you what I've done, and along with that I've used the designer series paper from my heart. Okay, it's speciality, and I've made 3 lovely cards. Okay, so the first one here is this one here. Quite a simple card, very straightforward C6 size. We've just got a band of DSP there, which I can tell you measures 1.5 inches by 5 3/4, and then we've stamped the lovely sentiment from the set: being friends is better than eating candy, and then it says but let's do both. I've utilised some of this ribbon that I had left over from Christmas because I'm not a wasteful crafter, and just because something is retired I'll still use it, and that is a cherry cobbler, and it just goes lovely. So I've used that, and then I've got some of the scalloped very vanilla lace there as well, and I've layered that you know, over the top. Okay, and then we've got 3 of the little champagne blings there, love them. And then I've used the punch, and what we have here, this shape here, is actually a peephole. So I've punched the shape out, and then I have stamped and punched on white cardstock, and I've layered that. It is slightly dimensional on dimensions, so that when you close the card it keeps shut like that. Okay, and then you just gently pop it open, and you've got that little dimensional heart and your little peephole window. So that's the first one, super simple. I will leave pictures of them on my blog, okay, over at Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. The second one, super simple, just a C6 size card. I tend to write inside with a dark pen, or you can layer with some white cardstock. I don't feel it necessary. To be budget friendly, I don't bother. Again, we've just got just a strip of DSP there, and this is lovely lipstick cardstock. So this just a 1.5 inch band of DSP there, and this one is about 2 inches. So we're being very frugal, and we're using the handmade embellishments there as the focal point of the card. You saw me make those on a previous video, and then I've just added the 3 gems. Alright, so that's 2, and then the third one here is on a white base, and that's a 10-fold, and I've used a full sheet of the, well, not a full sheet, but a full you know, I've matted the card fully rather than a band, but it's this from the same piece. Alright, and then I've got a little scrap of white cardstock there that I've inked the edges, and I have put through the corrugated embossing folder. That might not pick up on camera. And then I've layered on one of my handmade embellishments that's got the lovely little word beads on, so that's nice and dimensional. You'd just make yourself a slightly thicker envelope. It's not difficult to do. Alright, and that's lovely on there, and we've got the lovely foiled heart there, and it coordinates with the colours in the paper. So that's 3. So that is my hashtag number 4 project. I'm going to think of something to do with the remaining 4. Okay, so keep watching. Make sure you do subscribe and click the notification bell down below there. It's a little red bell, and then you'll get emails every time I upload, and you won't miss any of my hashtag 31 days craft challenge. The idea is to give you some inspiration. I don't think I need to do a tutorial on those cards. The main thing is the elements I've done a tutorial on, and this is just a card base with just a strip of paper. So you'll see these over on my blog at Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another of my 31 days craft challenge projects. Wonder if we can get 2 in tomorrow. We'll see if we can catch up. Thanks for watching, take care, I'll see you soon.